In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in Confluence. Let's get started by opening the Confluence page you want to edit. Make sure it's the exact page where the text needs resizing so you can see your changes in context. If your workspace has permissions set up, you'll need editing access, otherwise the editing controls won't appear. Once the page loads, enter Edit Mode by selecting Edit at the top of the page. This opens the editor and reveals the full formatting toolbar. If you see a message that someone else is editing, you can still proceed, but it's a good idea to coordinate so you don't overwrite each other's work. Next, highlight the text you want to resize. Click and drag across the words you want to change. For quick selections, double-click to select a single word or triple-click to grab an entire paragraph. You can also hold Shift and use the arrow keys for precision, or use your system's Select All shortcut if you need to change an entire section. With the text selected, look to the formatting toolbar at the top of the editor and open the text style dropdown. It typically shows normal text by default. When you click it, you'll see options like heading 1, heading 2, and so on, along with normal text. Confluence uses style presets instead of manual font sizes, which keeps your pages consistent and accessible. Choose the heading style or normal text size that fits your content. Use headings for structure. A top-level title is usually heading 1, major sections are heading 2, and subsections step down from there. If you're simply making body text larger or returning something to standard size, select normal text. Choosing the right level is more than a visual change. It helps readers scan the page and improves search results and page navigation. After applying the style, review how the text looks on the page. Scan up and down to ensure your choices are consistent with the rest of the document. Check spacing before and after headings and confirm that the visual hierarchy makes sense, with larger headings leading to smaller ones as you go deeper into a topic. If something feels too bold or too subtle, reselect the text and try a different heading level until it looks balanced. When you're satisfied, publish the page to save the change. Click Publish to make your edits visible to everyone with access. If your space prompts for a change description, add a brief note to document what you updated. That's it. You've resized text in Confluence using the built-in styles, keeping your page clean, consistent, and easy to read.